Hello and welcome to Excel Breakout Puzzle 3. My name's Jeff. I'm glad you're here. Let's just jump right in. I'm not sure if you've been to one of these escape rooms, but these are pretty popular. They're popping up all over the world. And the idea is you'd go to a company, you'd go to one of their escape rooms, they lock you in, and you have 60 minutes to escape. And here's how you escape. You look around the room, you gather clues to solve puzzles. When you solve a puzzle, you get a code, like a 3-digit combination lock code. You'd enter that code into a combination padlock, open it up, and it would open up like a drawer. And in the drawer would be more clues. You solve more puzzles, get more codes, open up more locks, until ultimately you get the final code, which you can key into to the door to escape. Okay, so that's the basic idea. My family and I love these. And so I wanted to do something similar for my Excel courses. So I came up with this idea for an Excel breakout puzzle. And I've hidden codes into workbooks. And the idea is that you would use the skills that you learned in any given lesson to solve the puzzle, to get the code. And so here's an example, all right? This is a 2-step puzzle. Step 1 is we have to get the key. We need to identify the invalid data values below to find the key for use in step 2. And the key phrase here is invalid data values, okay? And so this might be, for example, in a lesson where we talk about data validation. And data validation has the option here to circle invalid data. And when we click that command, the key is revealed, 1672. Now we use that key in step 2. Let's go to step 2. The key is 1672. Okay? And so that's the code. That's the code, 13401. Anyway, that's the idea of an Excel breakout puzzle. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Have a great day.
This video is a production of Excel University.